Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to talk to you about my Schofield collection. I own this. This is the second one I got. It's actually a 45 long Colt 5-inch barrel. It's made through Stoger, and I bought it at Sportsman's Warehouse. See? Here we go. Then you open it like so, and then you shut it like so. And it's a 45. And this gun I actually bought first. This is through Taylor's and Arms in Virginia. It's actually blue, like, I don't know if you can tell, it's hard to tell, but it's blue, like a charcoal blue. It's a 38 special, as you can tell, with the smaller holes. It's a really good gun, and I suggest that everybody buys one. They're expensive, like holy crap expensive. Like, man, like my wife was gonna kill me if I ever sell these because it was a battle to get them. And so they are going to my twin sons later on when they get older, of course. But I really like them. They're awesome guns. Thanks.